Hello, welcome back to the channel. This is week 4 of my painful cryptocurrency experiment. Every week I've been buying £100 worth British of cryptocurrency, and I've just hit another weekend, and this is the 4th week that I'm doing this, which means it's a month. And look at what has happened in a month that I've been doing this. I think the value of Bitcoin, which is what I've bought, I'll tell you why in a moment, it's gone down by at least a third. There's the exact percentage there, but that was always the plan. I've got to somehow now hold my nerve and keep going, which is why it's 6 o'clock on a Sunday. I do this every weekend, and I've waited till the last possible moment, I think because I want to wuss out, but I'm going to keep going. And I'm doing this in the easiest way possible, which is through my PayPal account. This is just my regular PayPal account, and I've been buying £100 every week of Bitcoin. So let's go into my dashboard now, and I'll show you exactly what is going on. You can click on this tab here. It's the second tab in, I think because PayPal really want to plug this at the moment, and that will take us into my crypto holdings, and there is how much I have spent at the moment. I want to say invested, but it's not. I'm just throwing money into a hole, and this could go horribly wrong. I could lose all of this, very well aware of that, but that's part of the experiment. Will I be able to not blink and keep doing this for a year? I really can't afford this, but I'm going to see it through because there might be an upside. Now, I make this graphic every week, and I never show it because I always cover it with electronic graphics, but I'm going to show you exactly what I've spent in 4 weeks. So every week I put in £100, which after fees is actually £102 and 1 pence. So the first week I did it, and a week later it was worth £83. The second week I put another £102 in, and that £204 is now worth 178. So last week I did it for a third time, taking the total to £306 and 3 pence. And as you can see on screen now, let's punch it up, that £306 is now worth £268.75, and that's going to fluctuate while I'm speaking. And the rule that I'm playing, it's a really simple rule. If Bitcoin goes down in the week, then I will buy another £100 of Bitcoin. If it goes up, I will start to buy other cryptocurrencies. I know for a fact the first one I'm going to try is Ethereum, just because that is also available on the PayPal account here. And I'm doing this on PayPal because I've tried signing up to other platforms. I tried Binance, couldn't get verified, and then couldn't get a reply from Binance as to why I couldn't get verified. It just looked really sketchy. I nearly signed up with Coinbase or eToro, but I've not gone through that yet because I just couldn't face more data mining and just handing over my date of birth and vital personal documents to yet another platform. Then I discovered that PayPal were offering it just as part of their regular PayPal account, so I'm doing it the lazy vanilla way to start with. And if Bitcoin starts going up, then I'll start to explore other platforms and other cryptocurrencies. There are 18,000 cryptocurrencies out there. If you were me, leave in the comment which crazy fruity cryptocurrency you would try next if you were in my position, because you know the best financial advice does come from YouTube comments, right? Anyway, let's go in and buy another £100 worth of crypto. All I need to do is to click the Bitcoin button there. Now that looks nice and green and going up, but that's just the last 24 hours. Let's see what it's done in a month. So when I started, Bitcoin was worth about £30,000 per Bitcoin. Over the month, it has gently rolled down all the way down to here. It's now worth about £23,000, which is a drop of 24% in a month. The big figure I want to see is what it's done in the last week. Bitcoin has dropped 3.42%. So my rule for this experiment is if it drops, I'm going to buy another £100 worth of Bitcoin. If I scroll down, I can see that big bad blue buy button. Oh no, that's sell. Not yet. Buy. There we go, buy Bitcoin. And I explain this every week, but PayPal's fees for £100 or up to £100 is 2.3%. And if you go a penny over, it drops to 2%. So we're going to go for that. So I'm going to type in £100 and 1 pence. Then click next. There goes my Sharpie. So review and buy, we still see it going up and down while I'm speaking, but this will buy 0.0042 Bitcoin. There's the transaction fee of £2. So I will agree and buy £102 and 1 pence. you purchased 0.00428064 Bitcoin. Yeah. So right now, at the time of recording, I have put in £408.04. And that £408 is currently worth £367.93. What's it going to do in the next week? And if you want to see what my Bitcoin is worth right now, it's all up here. My latest video is at the top of this playlist here. And if you're interested in perhaps buying some Bitcoin or cryptocurrency using PayPal, I go through the whole system, and that's in that video there.
Can you please help my daddy get 10,000 subscribers? Just click in his face. Thanks, bye. Alright, this is gonna be the proper one, right?